Available now at the Sioux City Titan Outlet Store. In this video, we are demonstrating a 2000 Gehl 4635 with 2538 hours. This Gehl 4635 features a 69-inch dirt and foundry bucket and a quick coupler with auxiliary hydraulics, along with tubeless tires with 70% tread remaining, and a block heater and hydrostatic drive, and work lights and rollover protection system. If you're interested in this Gehl 4635 and would like to contact our sales team, give them a call at 877-866-7010. If you're interested in viewing more equipment, go online to TitanOutletStore.com.